everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. It's the first time I've sat down. It is, let's see my clock properly, it's 4:20 and I've been very busy today. I started off with, I wasn't going to do any knitting or anything. There were a lot of things in my house that needed doing, like my vacuum. The whole place needed vacuuming because I've never vacuumed everywhere for quite a while. And my picture just went dark there. I thought I had fixed something with this computer, but I haven't been able to do a lot of things properly. And I had loads of ironing, and then I had a lot of washing, and I was sorting that out. And my wash and dried nicely today because there was a nice wind and that, and I was trying to get the ironing because I had a lot of things. I hadn't been ironing things I should have been doing. I was just been ironing what I needed at the time. And so I had quite a lot of things in my washing basket that needed ironing, and then my granddaughter's partner Craig had asked me on Thursday. He was going to help me in the garden, come up and dig the garden and do things in the garden, and he had wanted to come up on Thursday, but I said no, he's coming up on a Thursday when I'm going to bingo on the night time. From here, some excuse and told him I says Friday's a better day. So he's up here from about 10 o'clock, and he only went home about 2:30, but he's dug over the rest of the part I was digging down the bottom of my garden. He's cut all the grass and whatever odds and ends, little things. So that saved me a little bit of work. And of course, I had to make some lunch for him as well. Well, for me and him as well at the same time. And so then after that, I had to go and do a little bit shopping because I was running out of milk, and I have decided, I've explained this, I've done a video, just a little shopping video, but I've explained on the shopping video, I'm not going to do large shopping hauls where I have to go out in my car and get everything. I'm just going to go walk over to the shops myself without my car. When I run out of things, when I need any particular things, I do walk over to the post office quite a lot, and like it is a little convenience store in there. It is quite more expensive, the food stuff, and it takes me about 12 minutes to walk over, just an ordinary slow walk over to the post office, where it's only 10 minutes. I time myself today going out my back way. We have a back track that goes, well, it is the reverse cycle path actually. It goes all the way up the road, and then I just turn the corner and go along to where Sainsbury's, the shops are along that way. So I thought I'll go out the back way today and time myself and see how long it takes to walk to Sainsbury's. And it only took me 10 minutes, so it was about a couple of minutes less. But I can go out the front way, that way, out my front door and through the estate. And I think that may be a little bit quicker, but I'm going to try that way next time and see how long it takes me. But I do like the walk out the back because it's a nice walk up the track, and I see a lot of people as well. Well, because there's people come up and down on bikes, and people use it just to walk along. And it has been saving me quite a bit of money just getting a little bit shopping instead of getting that bulk everything, because sometimes when you're getting everything, you think, oh, I'll get this and I'll get that, and then sometimes you don't even use it all. It takes you a lot longer. So I'm just going to wait until I run out of something, and then I'll have a look around and see anything else that I might need, and only get what I actually need. Only I went today and I wanted some flour to make my scones, and I forgot to get that. I forgot all about that. I do have plain flour and I have baking powder to add to it, but I prefer the self-raising flour when I make the scone. So the next time I go, I'll have to put a little note down somewhere to remind myself of things that, because sometimes I forget what I've run out of. But that was the only thing I did forget today, and I've just dropped my needle with it. Low. So that's what I did. Just a small shopping haul I've done today to show people what I did get. So anyway, I'm doing. It's getting a bit longer. Doing a little bit more of the scarf. There's no rush for it because it'll not be probably of any use till next winter now for sure, unless we get any really cold weather. So with not having time to do anything and that, I had to bring all my washing in after I came back from the shops because it's starting to look a bit dull and that, although we might be going to get some rain, or it could just be dull. But I thought I'm bringing my washing in because it was dry and that, and then I made myself a cup of tea, which I'm having now, and thought I will just sit down and do a little bit knitting. I need the rest. But it is good exercise as well, walking, walking everywhere. So I'll put that down in a minute and show you what else I've been doing. And I finished the back on that's a little 20-inch one of the Garter and Ridge River. Finished the back and I've started on the one of the fronts. This was yesterday, what I did yesterday on that, so that'll not take too long. And that'll be 3 sizes I've done on that pattern, so I'll have a 22 and a 24 to do after that to get the pattern out. And like as I didn't have time for anything else today, that's the bag is still once finishing off, which I'll do that tomorrow morning and do a little bit tutorial to show how to finish it off. And that is all I have been doing. But I'm going to go, like I said, I was going to go through my book and I'm going to start doing other little cardigans as well as that one. So I'll be doing more than one at a time. And I think there's a waffle one, which a lady has asked me about a waffle one. I think I had a message today of a lady, Carol. So that would probably be the next one, I think. I'll have a look at my book because I'm not sure what size I haven't done in the waffle one. I'll have to find it. No, I think it's the other way because that's a new lot I started. I've got so many in here. Must have been the one I started quite some time ago and never got round to doing any more of it because I'm way going past. There it is, waffle. See what sizes I've done in that one. I've done 3 sizes in it. I've got all the instructions written down for 3 sizes. So I have a 22 and a 24 to do in that one. So I'll probably start with one of those. And as a lady has asked if she could put her name on my next 24-inch one, I'll probably do the 24-inch one first. So that's a waffle one. I have 2 sizes to do on that. I'll have a look at the rest and see which ones. I have the blackberry one out. The mock rib one is out. the Aaron style. I think I only have one size to do on that one. The little one, Aaron, the cable and the Irish moss stitch. I've just got that written down as Aaron style. I'm going through the sizes. I'm not sure whether I've done out to 24. I haven't done. Or is it a 22? No, it's a 22. I've done the 24. That's what I'm looking at. So all you need to do a 22-inch on the Irish moss stitch and the cable. So I need to do a 22 on that one. So I might put the back on the needles for that one. And I have a basket stitch one. I think all the sizes have been done. I need to write that one out. I think it was because I hadn't done any hats on it. Where I think I was going to knit one or two hats just to sell, just to get the different sizes in for the hats, because I had done it originally with a hat. But the actual cardigan, I've done all the sizes. I think I've got all the instructions written down here for all 5 sizes. Oh, I've got something missing on the 3rd size, but not on all of it. I must have forgot to put something down when I've been doing the sizes. There's the waffle one. Oh, and then I started doing some rosebud lace, but in V-necks I was doing, and I think I've done more than one in those. I've done the 2 sizes in those, so I've only got 4 sizes, because I've only got 22 to 28. So I have a 26 and a 28 to do on that one. I've got that lacy border one, that one's out. Baby blankets are out. There's a cable lace. Oh, that's the one I've been doing recently, the cable, the little pink one I did. I've got 3 sizes. I've done 3 sizes in that one, actually. A 14, a 16 and an 18. So I need to sort that one out. I don't know whether I was going to do a pattern for that one or not, actually. And then I have the blackberry larger cardigans I was doing from a 26. I think I've done I know I've done a 26 in it. I'm checking. I think I've only done the 26 in it. I don't think I've done any other, because I have it written down as 26, 28, 30 and 32. But I think I've only done a 26 in that one. So I need to start working out some of these larger sizes. That's another PDF, the cable one. And that's the 4x4 basket one, that's out. The raindrop one is out. The all-in-one is out. Oh, and I had just the instructions down for just ordinary plain sweaters, small ones. The cable and garter, that one's out as a PDF. I started doing a 4x4 basket stitch V-neck cardigans. I've only started, I haven't done much written down for that one, so I mustn't have actually knitted one yet. The slip stitch one is out. And the panel and lace, panel and cable. I've done 2 sizes in that one, so I have another 3 sizes to do on that one. And I've been writing the instructions down for the little sweaters I've been doing with the placket front and the collar. And I've done an 18-inch, a 20 and a 20-inch. Yes, I've done an 18 and a 20, that's all. I haven't done any more of those ones. And the one I'm doing now is the garter ridge. I've done the first 3 sizes on. Well, I'm on to the third size at the moment. And that was the last one I had in the book. My other ones going are on adult ones, which I need to sort a lot of those out as well. So, anyway, I'm going to fix maybe a waffle one. I'll start a waffle one as well as this little one I'm knitting. So I'll be doing more than one at one time. And my picture seems to have gone rather dark. I think it's gone really dull outside and it must be making the picture dark on my video. But anyway, that's my bit for today. So thumbs up and subscribe and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.